skin. See that? All up on the cow skin, you know, people. Let me tell you something about the cow skin soup, yeah.
You are made for it?
No, I'm just a record. This your cow skin soup for the lick. Me no care what no one say. Where boy around there. Bulletin of the party. Around these wild kitchen. Look what we're doing. Steamed fish. Villeta's way. That's the parrotfish people. Villeta, you can cook one.
You're using the
Villeta. Well, you know, put enough of this. Why don't put more in eggs? Sauce. More, you know, put more on it.
No, hold on.
You can put more on it. Oh, that may look good. So what do you like here? So you use Benji's jerk marinade rub. Yeah. What do you to Benji I deal with? Is that rub? It rub up everything? So you put salt on them?
Yes.
So you steam the fish. Wow, looks good, girl. You know, so means a pepper, man. How come you say big chunk of pepper them in there? What's about 3-4 pepper in this, you know?
Peppers in there.
You see me have to bring the big chef coming in. Now the big guns here. Wanna prepare. So this is Benji's jerk marinade rub. So now if you don't need this, link me. Benji's are going with them thing. I put up some pumpkin in it. Yeah. Alright, my sister. People, so how you guys doing? Let her serious about the cooking, you know. She wants some more water, the national stadium up.
Stop it. No, go so.
I never you me did here with someone.
No, not me, not to me.
Oh, me think I did you. The girl didn't name Belletta.
I'm gonna cook for save my life.
And you're picking them like.
I'm picking them like.
So they're not starved.
I'm gonna starve.
Well, today's steamed fish is brought to you by Mind Your Business and Shut Your Mouth. That is our sponsor. And of course, our official sponsor for this cook show is Benji Jerk Marinade Rub from the Watercress man.
Yep.
So we're going to see how this thing tastes. Yeah? So did you put salt on the fish first?
I put salt on the fish first, yeah.
Black pepper?
Black pepper as well.
Mm-hmm.
And then I rub the marinade inside and out.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Oh, colorful pot. With the skin of the pumpkin.
Yep.
One minute.
You want to cook it in there?
No, this is Villeta's way, man. I say not many people are cooking. When Randy's wild kitchen are going and people in my kitchen are cook, they not say nothing. Because my style, not for them style might not be my style. But we're not going to crush your style. I'm not going to say nothing for your style. Alright. So this is pumpkin, parrot fish by the market. What are we going to eat with it? Thank you. Okay, rice and peas. Alright people, so we'll come back next time. We'll see what I go on. Hold on. There we go, back at Randy's Wild Kitchen. And look how it's bubbling. It's looking beautiful and colorful. Life is good. Should make a good life.
crowded.
People. What is upon the thing this up there? What was it? What is it? Okay. This is a road trip with the Letter and Randy. Going to Roaring River and then the grill. Have some fun in the sun, right? This is Jamaica good life. That's right. Take it down. Do road Randy. We're just driving right now. It's a nice sunny day. Road open up and thing.
Nice sunny Monday.
Monday. Sun, you feel the sun difference from Monday? Yes. Sun a tear on your side. Almighty, pray that the Almighty bring us safely there. Peace and love to everyone all over the world. This is Jamaica Good Life. Take care of you little boys and you girls. This show's been brought to you by Shut Your Mouth and Mind Your Business. I'm the originate that to know. Our sponsor today is keep your head straight and walk slow. People, take care of yourself. When you know in a hospital, you must give God praises because you're in a hospital. And if you're in a hospital, you not beg for God, but because you're in a God hospital right now, you must give thanks and praises and make sure surround you have lunch money. Send me the ice cream money! Give thanks and praises. Yes, and sing it over there.
We are sanctified. The road is rocky and the hills are steep.
Whoa, stay alive. A road trip percent.
Give thanks and praises. We are sanctified.
Oh, sing another church song for my sister.
It's so bitter.
Hi.
When troubles are trials.
Whoa, yo, yo.
When I get moved.
On the other side.
On the other side.
What y'all gonna do?
I'm gonna shake my hand with them.
Boy.
Tell all the people good
Morning.
I'm gonna sit down beside my tree.
Boy. God, Beletta, you have it with your cold sweater. Beletta have the Christian thing on lock. So you're a Christian girl. Alright, you go buy some yam and eat some yam, right?
Yes.
And some fish. You do your thing, you have the money.
Yes.
How you doing, ladies? How you doing?
Over there. No more roast yam and salt.
Just fish and bami here.
Just fish and
That's
bami.
butter. This is
And
butter.
soup.
This is not Melrose.
Okay.
Fish soup and corn soup.
That's all we have.
Yeah.
And the fried.
Want a corn soup?
You don't want a fried fish, man?
No.
And a bami.
No, I just want a nice corn soup. Yes.
Corn soup.
Yeah,
Change your
corn.
mind.
What you want? Medium?
Give me a conch, a small conch.
Small conch. 2. Yeah.
Change your mind. I call Sonia with the bami here.
Okay, no problem, Sonia. Alright, Miss Ivy.
I make the woman do the talking. Kung soup make the man strong, you know. Kung soup make the man strong.
Not sure?
Yeah, man.
So make for the woman weak.
And you know,
Make the woman strong too.
anything, man.
Make the body strong.
Yeah, man.
Yes.
We're in Border. The Jamaica good life. Westmoreland people big up on themselves. Back up on shell. Randy traveling instead. Then I know some there. But I know some don't love it. We keep it nice and easy. This is Jamaica good life, Westmoreland right now, going to Roaring River. Big up the man called Siva in Portland. We get some fish. You know what I say? And some bummy. A $900 pay for the cold fish. A bother to rot it. But people, this is in the Westmoreland. All the people in Westmoreland, big up yourself, man, call Randy. He's on sale. If you have a BMW outside, can you kindly come move it? License plate 235678910. I'll buy the license plate number there. Easy, my selector. All the girl them in Westmoreland, big up on the cell. Westmoreland, a full time, you know. Nobody never call me and say Randy. Me never know say I come to Westmoreland. My brethren from West, big up yourself, brother. And in the place. Enough niceness I go on today. I know people else now got broken and teeth the chicken out of them fridge. Here's some have some nice fish around here, so. Today's name is Random Drive. Randomize couple of people and just go in their fridge and eat their food out of their fridge and left them house without washing the dishes. I'm gonna do that one day. Bring me your yard, open your fridge, cook your food, don't wash the dishes, me a bad man. So me see it, some of the fit. We don't continue to love on the life. We're not in the hospital. We're not afraid of Jamaica. I'm a pastor, half brand in Jamaica positive. Even when the thief them run back on me, me still love the country. Hockey, saltfish, bombing, sea, ocean, woman. No sir, they never run me out of Jamaica, me later. What you say? Look at the woman them. You know run out of. Give thanks and praises. Sing it very the fishing again. Sing it. Big up your father.
Big up yourself, Daddy.
How the fish taste?
Tastes good. Well seasoned, but it's cold.
It's cold.
Yeah, cold.
But then tell about the bathroom about that.
Bathroom about can go on. Because there's not a lot of people on the road.
Yeah.
There's a lot of people, you have a problem.
Yeah.
A whole lot of people know a whole lot of problem. Your bathroom clean, new toilets in there. Yes.
So you was
and
happy?
Leave it as the way you see it.
You was
you
happy?
Come out the bathroom clean, leave it clean.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know,
clean up after yourself, people.
They send me to a tree.
Them send it to a
Then
tree?
lock the bathroom for the man and say, what you do? Go run back and go at the tree. They send me to a tree, people. Now this is White House Beach Club. You see them house up here, sir? Them your house up here, sir? You know, normal around here, so you know, see that? A couple months ago, look on them house, man. Them square one there. I see them some more bit. Look there. Me can't go in no more, you know. Look there. All of them square, you know. Mr. Jamaica, look on the house, them a play glass, you know. There's this a play glass in the house, then. A glass house, if you live in a glass house.
Stone through stone.
And if you
Down. I don't
Eat, Bummy. You feel eat some stone. All people in the car today. Spend the money, press pan gas, Randy. Press pan gas, spend the money. I want to thank who sent me gas money today so I can't move. I was stranded in the wind. I did hungry and stranded in the wind. And me call one of my friends and say I was stranded in the wind. And she sent me a little thing and I was stranded in the wind. Oh, not teach my song. I was stranded in the wind and my stomach was boiling. I pick up that phone and I started calling. Me say Mary, Maxine and Susan, me need something to put in my hand, oh Lord. You know it's like Miss Lou, I'm a rhyme. You see how me make up a song up on this spot. Me say me hot. Me make up the music on this spot. Me hot. This a show you road trip. Me say it shot. Me say they can't stop we. Me granny used to sing at church. Unfold me, baby. Yeah, man, banana dumpling and cassava, which she used to bring home. Them can't stop me.
Which church your granny used to
Can't stop me.
Which church your granny used to go?
Church of God.
And she bring home food?
No, you mean?
Or you should carry food for them?
We bring Yam God to church. Remember say we won the mission house up there. You know say me have to go back at the mission house, go beat it. Them can't stop me. Play the tambourine.
Can't stop we.
Me granny used to bring food home and feed the picnic.
Fish full of me, belly. Oh yeah.
I St. Catherine you come from, you know. Red Hill, St. Catherine. So we're today.
Red Hill,
Where you come from? Red Road?
Redwood.
Redwood?
Yes.
Alright, missus. Redwood.
Redwood.
Them can't stop me. Them can't stop Randy. Big up my friend them in Westmoreland. Today and tomorrow, me going back to Manchester to build the mission house. I have to build my grandmother mission house. I have to finish that. No people, I've done a lot of projects for a lot of people. It's time for to build Randy a mini house. No, me need somewhere to sleep. Me been on the road. Cat and dog, you know, like me I take their food at night time. Me see a dog, so me I see that seed boy. I am. Anyway, cat and dog go, me go eat them food. I joke, me I make people me love them. Me love the whole lavish foolishness. I grew up in the country in Manchester where you see hang on with the people who used to pass by the truck. I'm coming from the country back bush. So my people them dark and lovely. I saw the grand people them used to talk, you know. Maxine used to say the boy go over there with her hat to put a sugar in. I saw them. You know, say Maxine, picking them up foot in the wash. What could you have this? The woman come to church yesterday and they go in here. And he two picking them, Magalakwa. You see, everybody for a big young feeling and I don't feel the picking them. Watch it. Too much watch it. Dreadlocks. Jamaican. Sing it, dreadlocks. Sing it.
Too much watch it. Too much.
Road trip, I forgot. You see road trip nice at Jamaica. When you see no corona around the corner.
People protect themselves, stay safe.
Yeah, man. Got bullet in a glass case.
Corona is real.
It's real out here, but
We didn't make it up.
it's real. Real. Corona is real to me. Driving.
I just did new thing in the country.
Alright, sing it since you're a big singer. You're up on the spotlight now. Act like say you're a big singer. I eat fish and I sing. You better watch your mind your choke on the board. Take your time. You know, if you eat fish and I sing, make Randy do the singing. Real. Jamaica good life is real to me. Look what the beautiful countryman still I'm alive. Let's give thanks to the Almighty. Blessings to everyone who watched this program. Boy, I'm so happy because I've made it. I have made it. And big up yourself. Marinade and all my people lovely. Running up on the road trip. Yeah man, I live it life. That's all we can do. On the beautiful Westmoreland. I look upon you. What that now? Belmont Academy. Yeah man. Now Ronia, so they're supposed to have an ocean somewhere, you know. Think of Belmont, they have an ocean, you know. But it's beautiful in Westmoreland. 24 minutes to Roaring River.
Here is beautiful. Looks nice.
Beach is right over there, people. And it's an easy cruise and drive 2 hours from Mandeville. This thing about Manchester is centralized, you know. So anywhere you want to go, I like 2 hours, 3. You know what I'm saying? That's the beautiful thing about living in Mandeville. You know, in that 2 hours you get to the beach, right? You take the A2. St. G's next door. So now, you're beautiful, Jamaica. You're beautiful, Jamaica. I love you very much.
Jamaica smiling for you.
Jamaica.
Smile for me, Jamaica.
Yeah, man.
Where you proud?
You still are singing I eat fish?
Where you proud?
Enjoy your vacation, man.
man.
Enjoy your vacation. Ah, see the beach here. One of them is, I hit this. I think I hit this. You come there, so. That's one of them. Probably. Go further. Look how beautiful the West is. Why? We have a Negro, a Mobile, drive to St. Anne's. We had to do some road trip on the road today. And show one of the beautiful, yes, beautiful Jamaica roaster still out there. Lazy roaster. How's the fish? Good?
Yeah. Fish was delicious.
Drink some of the water, Chris. Please, run down here. You want to drink pineapple juice? Melon, yeah man. Put some money in it, you know. Look at the beautiful people. Just need to buy a box for the family and just load up the family and go road. You know what I'm saying? Have everything in the car. Big up to everyone. Big up my brethren them from Westmoreland. Brother, I call you, but you never pick up my brother. You see me, I know, so when you see me, I drive to Westmoreland. I say, Randy, how come you never call me? I call you, man. I call you, I call you, man. I make you look so. big up yourself. Miss Chin King, big up yourself. We have work to do. John Crow, that's enough. Yes, man. Mr. Facey, time to buy the t-shirt. And people remember when we get to the t-shirt, you know, I'm so tired and busy, I haven't designed more. I'm going to design more. And I need some assistance for help promotion. I need help, so just link me. Enough things for doing on. Big up man called Tommy, man called Johnny Taylor. Big up yourself. You know, all the people, Mr. Brown from UK. I love this beautiful Jamaica. Look why.
The mirrors run out, so.
So run out, huh? Isn't it beautiful? When was the last time you've been around here?
I've been over there 5, 6 years.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Really? On the west, you haven't been nigger or nothing for a while?
Yeah.
Wow. So you feel good, you feel the vibe?
Feel the
Beach,
vibe.
you feel the vibe?
There's a wise to eat before you go to the beach.
No man, river go, you know, river go take that out of you. Or the watermelon juice.
That was good.
It's good?
Yes.
Yeah? Then look a bit of, the honey must have offset it.
I remember it was sweet to begin with, you know.
Yeah, yeah. If I had some ginger, I'd touch it up.
Something like that. Because did you strain it? You have to strain it?
No. The seed in the night
That's
too.
what I realized.
Yeah man, you must always blend the thing them with the seed. A seed,
Yeah, when you have to blend that.
yeah, the seed kill the parasites now. In the stomach. To have something there.
It depends on what the condition is. Because if you have diverticulitis, people don't drink no seed.
Oh, them not drinking no seed? Okay. Wow. Think about Westmoreland. Look at how lush and beautiful this part of Jamaica is. Look how, you know what I say, it just lush both sides of the road and just look at it. This is Jamaica. Go on different parts of Jamaica and just drive and look and just say wow. You know? Really impress all the people in my life. Still. This show has been brought to you by Mind Your Business and Keep Your Head Straight.
No, that cracked me up every time.
This has been sponsored by Give Me Money and Tapping Eyes. Alright, Violetta, make up something. This show has been brought to you by.
The first one described your perfect. Oh, God.
This show's brought by Truck Broke Down. Pass it! Driver, don't stop at her. With my mall. Yes, I. So it go. 16 minutes to Roaring River. Yes, my people. I live it, Tina. The Almighty bless us. Guide us on the journey.
I'm belly well full.
You belly well full now?
Yeah.
You ready for sleep?
No. Beautiful day, man.
Yeah, man, a good thing you buy fish out here because fish are nigga expensive. Probably say 150.
I don't think I could have eaten one.
Oh, Randy, clean the window. The simple things make me happy. I have windshield.
You know the funniest thing? My windshield wiper in my car not working. Not
Where is
wiper.
it?
The need a sensor or something for it. So
Oh,
something else right there. I need to get rid of it nice.
wow. So what do you say? Now or? Yes, people. This is the first time I'm driving this way by myself.
And this is the first time that you've been driving as a driver.
As a driver, yeah. And this is a nice road to the west. All you guys have to do is just Google Roaring River and it takes you right there. Have you ever been to Roaring River?
No.
I'll get you baptized today. You have to dip 7 times and make a wish.
Just gonna set it 5 fish. Yes, sir.
Yeah, man, run the door, the little people, the boat. Big up to Dana and Darren. And Dale.
Yeah, big up. Big up the family.
How you feel about the little vacation where you have? How you feel?
Locking up the nose for so long, why not? Feels really refreshing.
Yeah.
Still feel safe, which is the main thing. Still feel safe. We're practicing our social distancing, right?
Yeah.
We're in our mask. Alright. Don't tell me that Alexa. It's not Alexa. Your phone name again? Yeah.
Google.
Google. Was correct. She said it was gonna rain in the afternoon.
Yeah.
Yes. She said sunshine during the morning.
Yeah.
She did say it was gonna rain in the afternoon.
Yeah.
What she said.
And the new road this. A lot of people watching this right now, they didn't realize Jamaica was this beautiful. You know, when they think about Jamaica and they look at YouTube, all you think is gangs and killing. That's just, you don't picture this in your mind, right? Most Jamaicans that are okay are ones who just get in their car, go about their business, and come home. Don't hang out at bars. You know, look at this. Get in your car, get gas, and go. Mind your business. That's why this has been brought to you by Say it, Benita.
Jamaica good life.
Mind your business. I want to treat it. That's what I'm trying to do in my life in Jamaica. Just mind my business. Tapping that.
Mind your business.
Shut your mouth. That's it. Once you do those two things in Jamaica, mind your business and shut your mouth.
But the thing is though, that is so contrary to you. Because if you were minding your business and shutting your mouth, you wouldn't be doing this.
I talk to
To
my
show the
people,
people.
them. Me, I talk to me. I mind my business talking to them. I my people, them. I'm a
No, but
family.
the thing is, sometimes talking, broadcasting, showing the people and bringing Jamaica to them.
Yeah.
Yeah, so, you know, can't just ignore.
I talk about
Because
the
you're
people them round in Jamaica. I talk to people that are foreign, then good. Going to Jamaica, this show has been brought to you by Mind Your Business and Shut Your Mouth. Keep out that trouble.
If you're in that trouble, you better ball out.
You see me, I know. Going to taxi talk about say, you buy land and you retire. The minute you say you retire, look on them pretty house over there, sir. The minute you say you retire now, they know some money there. Shut your mouth. Don't use the R word. And don't use the word life savings neither. And don't use the word me I come to Jamaica do investment. Don't tell nobody the I word. And I drive no taxi talk to your friend about much land you buy.
Yeah, you don't need no talk on yourself.
That's what I tell you. So this show has been brought to you by.
Mind your business and shut your mouth.
That's it. So therefore, when you're in a taxi and your friend call and talk about say the lawyer is coming to sign the papers for the house, you don't pick up the phone.
Exactly. Business.
Shut your mouth. And don't take a taxi go straight to your yard. Walk a little bit. Go to your neighbor yard.
True.
And don't make no church people come to your yard. Build a bathroom outside. Don't make them come in and see what's not on your TV. It will be a problem.
As bad man is real.
Be real.
It's real.
The same old church people go and the church come talk in the yard and then look a grandson here so you have big TV. And next thing you know the boy then come back
Only
you.
for church people have a really grandson.
Yeah man.
Yes.
My grandson they look a dirty TV them call free house for them. A grandmother they live with, you know. That's why they have a little bike and they have to pay rent. All them youth must be required to pay rent. They would have look walk. But because they are living at the big house for a bill. They know the things they for a bill big house. Look how the house them big. They go and pick and say, look how the house big I got for what I need for work for. Eh? Why do I need to work? I don't need for work. You see what I saying? I don't need for work, man, right? Big hell of a house, right? So all of them big generation workers, you know, cannot be a big house, you know, everywhere, right? We try to do good for the local picnic them and look there. Them workers say smoke weed and live in our grandmother house.
I'm not gonna say all.
No,
So.
not all of them, but
Okay.
most of the cribber them make the crime. You think they pay rent? Criminal not pay rent, you know?
Because this generation can be very innovative. Most of them.
Some of them.
Very innovative.
Some of them.
Yeah, but you definitely have the non-progressive, nothing to live for. Anybody not have nothing to live for, a problem.
Yeah, man.
You have to give them something to live for.
Them pay rent, man. Imagine not
The thing is though, you need some more things for young people. You can't live in some community center with proper amenities, infrastructure. You need like a bowling, little, you know, you need volleyball, basketball, you know. There's more to life than just football on the court. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah, them need tennis, them need some orchestra, play music,
Yeah,
They
they need
need
some orchestra,
violin and things.
violin, yes.
But what are the challenges? The Jamaicans themselves, the older ones that doing business, they themselves not think out the box. because the other day I was talking about the bathroom system that could be made for public bathroom where you swipe the card.
Okay.
And a woman said, it's a good called the powder room. Just open them all over Jamaica.
Yes.
With mirrors and big chandelier and thing. Woman just go to the place and use an app and find them powder room.
Yes.
And that's a different business, so people can be hired. I talk on the program a lot about different things we can do to interview. Outside bowling alley where people can pick up the pin there.
Yeah.
No overhead.
But then you also have to start with the children in the kindergarten.
Yeah.
How to keep the bathrooms tidy from that stage. You understand? That age. From in the homes, keeping your surroundings clean.
Yeah.
Make sure that you have enough public bins. Because if there's no bin, people are going to throw things anywhere. You need bins. You need bins all over.
You know that.
You know how many times I go out and I have to pack up my bag with the things that I use. Until I go home and throw them away. No bins.
You know that they could
Simple
have
things like bins.
processed bamboo for bins.
Beautiful.
They would take bamboo and just crush it up and re-glue it back and make bins. In Africa, they use banana trash for baskets. You see? So what the challenge with Jamaica, the leaders don't have competitive symposiums. What's the word man look for? Symposiums, where they allow Jamaicans to compete with innovative ideas and give them prizes at the national stadium.
Yeah.
Business ideas.
And good price too.
And then they invest in the business. So if you have a great idea and the government assemble people with their new business ideas and they protect their ideas and inventions, symposiums, because you have to push up people, and these are things we have to look at. So all the business ideas, if your idea is very good, let them know the bank give you a loan.
And sometimes the prizes for these, if you do have them, the prizes are the monetary minuscule. It can't cover back what you spend on the project in the first place. You know? So
well, even if it's just a write-up project, it doesn't have to be implemented. The key is to have a gathering so the people look forward. I don't know. I think it's just, we always say, after the people in past 50 dead out, we need to clean house. Everybody past 50, in our government or wherever, time to go. And the new generation needs to usher in the innovative ideas so this country can take it to the next level.
but it's not. But there are certain things that you don't have to invent because it's there already.
Yeah.
You just go to different countries and see what works for them. Singapore,
Japan.
See Japan and
Dubai.
see what works for them.
Yeah.
And bring it. So you don't have to reinvent anything. You don't have to,
Well, based on the local foliage and the local, industries here, bauxite and stuff, you work around the resources you have here, which is unique compared to Singapore or Japan or Dubai. We have bamboo here, so most of the
even for bins. You can have the big clay pots. You know much people that make the big clay pots. You can put garbage bags in them. Because you have the holes at the bottom. And you use those as garbage bins then.
And you're true because they can't
and
steal
you can't steal those because they're heavy.
Yeah. So that's a good idea. Clay pots. And you have so much limestone too. So it's a matter of an innovative leader. People who really want to see progress. And then again, you have 3/4 of Jamaican man, them just a smoke weed and a drink and just sex. So they mind.
I wouldn't say 3/4.
Half of them. Easy upon them, because most of the youth them smoke weed, drink, and just relax.
But you know why? As I said, you don't have a lot of things for people to do apart from that. You don't have a lot of people need recreational center. Recreational center. You know much people, you reach a certain age in Jamaica, you can't swim. If you don't come from river, you have pool, you can't swim. the school pool them want to fix up if they have them. There are things they need stuff. If two young people going on a supervised date, the boy that make them can't even go on a little amusement park but eat little cotton candy.
Yeah.
And you know.
You know, since saying on a Ferris wheel and
Yeah, Ferris wheel,
merry-go-round, a big one.
Yeah.
I spoke this stuff on my show before, but there's a deer in the headlight mentality. We're waiting on Jesus to fix everything. And that's one of the main challenge. You know? So now, well, go do that. Oh, just
But Jesus loved nice things. They want him go to the wedding or the party and they've never seen a little wine. Them just say, you know what, we need to bring on the wine. That's true, bring wine.
Stop it!
Source of water, we need to make some wine.
Stop it! No, sir. The people don't lock up, you know, sir.